Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to train your bot to answer messages in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. We built our own AI tool, inspired by Google Dialogflow. There are two ways to train your bot: to auto-reply and to customers' messages. Number 1, short keywords. To add a short keyword, go to Automated Response and click the Add button. Never add long sentences as a short keyword. We advise you to combine a maximum of 2 words. As short keywords otherwise, use business frequently asked questions. Save it, and let's try it. Now let's go to number 2, business frequently asked questions. To add business frequently asked questions, go to Automated Response, then click the Add button. Then check the Business Frequently Asked Questions box. Whenever you add a frequently asked questions, make sure the frequently asked questions contains at least 1 business keyword. Otherwise, identify 1 or more important words contained in the frequently asked questions and add them to the business keyword list. After you created your first frequently asked questions, the business keyword feature gets activated, and you can add your business keywords. To add a business keyword, go to Automated Response, then click Business Keyword. Click the Add button. Then click Save. Now let's test. Great! You have just learned how to train your bot to answer messages. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.